Sure, bana ba papa. It's here for once again, I guess. So, today the level la kgang ya buying and selling. So, ke a go summarize in short. This thing, there's no need ya go ke bo ke ra go le hadi ke dirisa di explanations tse di choko. So, I'm going to summarize it. What is buying and selling? So, guys, ka go ntseng ka teng go ha o re wa baya wa bo rela gore remember the things re na le di-trend the types of trend ke le di bontshitse. We have the uptrend e le gore e tsamayang so, and then we have the downtrend yone e yang kwa tlase. So I think you still remember. So when you say you are buying, wa bo rela gore market ha o tsenang teng gona ha o bayang teng wa bo rela gore market wa go go godimo wa bona wa bo rela gore wa go godimo. So that's where you are saying you are buying. So in short, the only time where you are buying ke highly uptrend. Wow, you can buy here, you can buy here, you can buy here. Wow. So as long as it is going up, what's an buy? And when you say you are selling, is when market are all more downtrending. How you got that? So that's when you are selling here or anyway, as long as it is going down. But note that ha e ka re gongwe o tsena buy, ha o tsena buy and then e be ya ko godimo as you wish, o raya gore o tla bo o tsena mo profiting akere. But ha e ka re o tsena buy o predicta gore ya ko godimo e be e le gore yone ya kwa tlase, o raya gore o tla bo o tsena mo di-losseng. So that's how simply it is. And the selling part le one it is the same, ke opposite ya yone he. When you are selling only in a downtrend. So ha e ka re gongwe o tsena sell e be e ya kwa tlase, it means that you are getting into profit. And ha e ka re o tsena sell and then yone e be ya ko godimo, you are getting into losses. Ke tsa gore la ntlhaloganya. Let me try to figure out example mo marketeng. For example, re tabe re lebile chart ya o boranya chart ha e leng teng ya go a go godimo. Ha o re ya go a go godimo o tla bo o tsena buy akere, o tla bo o tsena buy. So ha o tsena buy, this thing ha e le gore chart ya go a kwa tlase jaaka ya kwa tlase yana, it means that wa go tsena mo di-losseng jaaka le bona ko godimo ka ga gore we are in losses. Re mo di-losseng tsa 14 cent, 21 cent la bona ka. But still ha e ka boa gone ha e be e le gore ya go a go godimo, it means that wa go tsena mo di-profiting. A ke re tsene diamond ya rona re tsene ya. So ha e ka boa be to go crossa ha ya go godimo, it means that you are getting into profit. Ya no ka re o tsene ha re ta ya go godimo and then ya go tlase, it means that you are going to get in losses. A ke la bona. So that's how it is. And then the same thing as the thing selling. Let me check another chart first. V75 honest, yeah. Selling o tla bo re ya kwa tlase o bo tsena sell gone. If this thing ya go tswella ya kwa tlase, it means that jaaka ile kwa tlase yana, it means that o tsena mo di-profiting. Wa bona, o tsena mo di-profiting. And if ya go a go godimo, it means that wa go tsena mo di-losseng. Yeah, it's the same thing hela, just opposite each other. So jaaka o tsene ha e ka ya go godimo yana, it means that o tsena mo profit. Ha e ka ya go tlase, it means that o tsena mo di-losseng. So ke tsa go la ntlhaloganya, that's how it is. And then go na le batho ba re ba bitsa re ke di-scalper. A ke re ke re boleletse gore you buy when the trend ya go ile uptrend. So you only buy ha trend ya go ya go godimo, so and you sell ha trend line ya go ya go tlase. Go na le the time e le gore the market o tla bo o dira mo go consolidation, o tsamayang so hela o sa ye gope. So go na le batho ba re ba bitsa di-scalper gone ke tsa gore le nna le utlwa the word go tweng ya scalpers trader what. So these people ke bone ba ile go gantsi o itele ba trader gona it is risky but if you understand it, it is good also. Ha market o tsamaya go lo one so these people they can trade it. O ta ba tsena ba e gone o ta ba tsena ba e here ya ba emela market ha o tsena o tsa profit ya gago and then o tsena sell gone go godimo ka o tsa profit ya in a range here. So these things it matters. What matters ke gore wena what did you master? So more forex guys, what you have to do is that you have to find a strategy and stick to it. Ha o ka simolla o siana o le ka di strategy tse dintsi you won't master it. So the best traders we tell gore ba na le their own strategies. You can create your own strategy. So that's how it works hela. For you to be successful mo forex you have to have your own strategy. So that's it guys for today. I think le tlhalogantse. Yeah, le sa tlhaloganyang teng you can pop up your questions. Get all it tools.
Yeah, I know sometimes things may not always make